Good afternoon, guys. This is Mark Jr. with All Clear Cleaning, and I'll be here answering some more questions for you. So we've been getting a lot of questions about whether you can pressure wash a roof. So we've had a customer in Canton ask us that question, and today I'm going to answer that for you. So basically, when you realize that you wanted to get your roof washed and you're looking into the process, what you're going to find when you start researching it is that there's two ways to pressure wash a roof or do a roof wash. One is to actually use pressure, as in the person will come out and actually pressure wash a roof. The second technique, and the one that you should be doing, is called a soft wash technique, okay? And the reason for that is if you use any pressure over 80 psi, you can actually cause a tremendous amount of damage to the roof shingles themselves. So what happens when you go up there and you spray off all that mold and moss, you're also taking all the granules on the shingles itself. And when that happens, you lower the life expectancy of that roof, and that's a very bad thing. So you want to avoid that at all costs. So if you guys run across anyone that is trying to sell you on them going up there with a pressure washer and cleaning up all that mold and all that mildew or moss on there, don't fall for it. You will damage your roof, and your roof will be a lot worse off than doing the soft wash technique. There are plenty of reputable companies out there. We are one of them, and soft washing technique is the way to go. Pressure washing a roof is very bad. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Thank you. Have a good day.